welcome to my SDM Techie channel. Hope you all doing well. So today topic I'm going to explain you the difference between the local user, domain user and roaming profile. So local user is a user which will be created by default when we install the operating system. For example, administrator. So administrator can create more user accounts. Okay. And what is a domain user? So on the domain we create users rights. That is a domain user. So the domain user can log in any network machine which is connected to the domain. And what is a roaming profile? A roaming profile is a user, okay, same like a domain user. But the difference is that so whenever roaming profile logs in and saves his data will be migrated to the server. But comparing to domain user logs in onto the machine which is connected to the domain, but this data will be saved only onto that machine. This data will be not migrated. So that is the difference between roaming and domain user. So today I'm going to show you how to create a roaming user. So this is my user, this is my server. So before that I will show you how to check local user account. So showing you on my domain server, so you cannot see the user accounts. Okay, so however, like you can check it on your machine. Just click on start and the search bar type this command lusrmgr dot msc. Dot msc. lusrmgr dot msc. So when you type this command, it will show all the local users which is present on this machine. Just because this is a domain computer, it is not showing it here. You can type it on your computer and see. So that is a local user. Now open Active Directory users and computers. You can see all the users here. Roam, test, test2, administrator. On the type you can see the user accounts. Okay. So now I'm going to show you how to create a user profile account. So before creating that, what you have to do is you have to create a share folder. So on that share folder, the user account, user data will be saved. I will type roam profile and share this folder. Properties, sharing. Now type everyone. So here I'm going to share this folder. Or you can type the user account and give read and write permissions. But just here I'm giving everyone account. You can type the user account if you want. Now click on close. So we can see our profile. We have to copy this path and go to the Active Directory users and computer, and I'm selecting test2 user account here and click on profile tab. Type it, click backward slash and give the username. So here my username is test2. Okay, type the same thing there, click on apply. Okay, now update the policy, gp update. So it is updated. Now we will type here So our user account is created. So here what we have to do is we have to check if the test2 converted from local account to roaming account. Right click properties on my computer, this PC I mean. Now scroll down, go to the advanced system settings. So test user is not having permissions to check any settings here. So we will use our administrator account. Now click on user profiles, which is present in advanced tab. Click on settings. So here you can see test 2. Okay. So test 2, earlier it was showing local, but now it is showing roaming. So what we will do is we will create some files on this machine and see if it is going to migrate on the server, on the folder which we have created. Now log off. Sign out. Now go to the server. So here, yeah, this is a folder, right? This PC, go to the C profile, ROM profile, right? Now I will type it here. Now I will try to open that folder. I can see the user folder. So try to open it. Click on continue. You don't have permission. The administrator account is not having permission. So click on security tab in case if you want to use open. Click on OK. So here what I did is just in order to open this folder, no user account can access this folder. Just because I am an administrator, what I did is I added the administrator account here. Okay, so I just clicked on advanced. Okay, here clicked on change and added the administrator account and click on OK. Now we will see if we can see the files which was created by the user. So it is showing us same thing. So click on advanced, change, add the administrator. So here we can see the content. So this is how you create a roaming profile. Okay. So it is more secure. So only administrator can access it in case if he wants to. Thank you for watching guys. Meet you in next class.